In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a signature from PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever received a document with a visible signature, you need to take out maybe it as a placeholder or an outdated sign-off. This walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to remove it using Acrobat Pro DC. We'll keep it simple, stick to the essential actions, and I'll share a few tips to help you get it done smoothly. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you are in the Pro DC application, since the editing tools we're about to use live there. Once your file is open, look for the signature on the page. This could be a typed name, a scanned image, or a drawn scribble added as a graphic. One straightforward way to remove it is to click directly on the signature to select it. Then choose Edit Text and Images. This puts Acrobat into editing mode and highlights the object with a bounding box. When you see that box around the signature, it means Acrobat has recognized it as an editable element on the page. At that point, simply press Delete on your keyboard to remove it. If you prefer using the Tools pane, here is an equally quick method. Go to the Tools pane and select Edit PDF. This switches the entire document into edit mode. Now click on the signature to select it, and press Delete on your keyboard. That's it, the signature is gone. A few clarifications can help here. These methods work best when the signature is an image or graphic placed on the page. If you can't select the signature, it may be part of a flattened image or the document could be locked. Acrobat may also restrict editing if the file has a certified digital signature or specific security settings. In those cases, the object won't highlight and deletion won't be available. When that happens, check that you are working on a version of the file that actually allows edits. For accuracy, zoom in before selecting, so you don't accidentally remove nearby text or lines. If you delete the wrong element, use Undo right away to bring it back. And it's a good habit to work on a copy of the PDF so your original remains intact while you make changes. That's the process. Thanks for watching.